Imagine moving from an idea in the morning to a prototype in the afternoon. And think about how fast product development could be. If you could prototype all your high-precision PCBs in-house in one day, what would your team be capable of? Introducing the Other Mill Pro, the fastest and most affordable way to fabricate PCBs without a board house. The Other Mill Pro mills directly from Gerber files, achieves 6 mil trace in space, and effortlessly handles double-sided PCBs. Why spend half your design time waiting on the board house? Iterate as much as you need, and by the time you go into production, you know your parts will work perfectly. Product development becomes fluid and agile when you can create looks like, works like prototypes in a fraction of the time, with no training required.
At Mindtribe, we work with a host of industries, everything from consumer electronics to medical devices and automotive. We have a saying, build less, faster. The quicker we can learn something, the faster we can get you on the right path. And so the Other Mill has provided us this great opportunity to give our clients the right answer faster, to build less and build it faster.
The Other Mill Pro comes from industry veterans that build products like you. We know what it means to develop production designs, and we've created the ultimate power tool to help you do your job. And like you, we're obsessed with precision, reliability, and quality. Every component in the Other Mill Pro is carefully selected and rigorously tested to ensure that it works perfectly out of the box. It's time to unlock your team's full capacity with the only tool that can rapidly and accurately prototype PCBs in-house. With the Other Mill Pro, you'll turn your vision into a product faster than ever before.